Versus Classic Germany.
Thanks for the introduction, Peter, and hello, viewers.
Here we go. He's had a go.
They really have to concentrate to convert this one.
Fires one in. Sends it back to him. He's not pushing forward with it. Two targets in the box. And he smacks one. Superbly done. In the opening minutes of the game. It's the opening goal. He kicked it away superb. That goal will surely relax him a bit now, Trevor.
Certainly, Peter. There's nothing like a goal to set their team.
Sends it to the left. And he's got on the end of it.
The keeper's under pressure.
Short pass. They regain possession quickly. They're outnumbered in the middle. It's in! Goal! Another goal. They're scoring at will here. That was his second goal of...
They're starting to pick up the pace, Peter.
Right, if they kick this up, they could be out of sight before too long. A chance to counter-attack here. They need some penetration.
Passing with a lovely little touch.
That'll be a goal kick.
The marking's been tight and so far it's working.
There's no quarter being given or asked. They're being overstretched in the middle.
Instinctive stuff.
Goal! A beautiful left-footed effort. It's raining goals.
Coming back from 3 goals down is going to be tough.
Right, Trevor, it's 3-0 and they are... So, Trevor, 3 goals between the teams. The game looks like it's over.
Yes, Peter, it's beginning to look like a foregone conclusion.
Classic Germany. It's a tasty cutter. Knocks it back. And he shoots.
They'll be looking to make the most of this opportunity.
He tries from way out. It's an amazing goal. It's in. That's their fourth. Surely they can't lose this now. He really got behind that one. They're 4 up. It's turning into a mauling. Neither side seems capable of taking control. This is exhibition stuff. This is a great chance. Straight at goal. Short pass. From way out. They must be wondering how to beat him. Challenge there. Plays it to the left. Wins the ball back quickly. Only 5 minutes remaining in the first half. Hits an ambitious ball over the top. Well, it was a great pass, but he was in an offside position. Passes it over to the right. He's kept it low. Just off target. Pumps it forward. Now they go left. And he fires it. Will he send this to the far post?
The tight defence has managed to contain the attack.
He could swing it in here.
He's got 2 men in the box.
And the referee calls time at the end of the first 45 minutes. So they've ended the half in the lead, Trevor. Lays it off short. Can they threaten the goal this time? Here's a chance. They've got two in the middle. Tries his luck. Hits one. It's just wide of the right post. Well-timed challenge. They are going at it, hammer and tongs.
That was outrageously confident.
And he's gone for goal. Fantastic goal. They just can't stop scoring. It's a hat-trick.
Just unbelievable.
It's been very one-sided, isn't it, Trevor?
Yes, it's a shame. I thought we'd have a bit more of an even contest today, but it hasn't turned out that way.
They've broken through. Oh, it's in! And they've narrowed the gap to 4 goals. Together with the result of the first leg, classic Germany. They've scored, but they still have lots to do from here. Down the right flank.
That was a poor pass. Good pressure there.
Touches it out right. They are going at it, hammer and tongs. Now the defender read it well. Passes it forward. Took it back quickly. They can swing it in from the right wing. Beautiful cross into the box. Cleared safely. What a goal! And it puts him in a commanding position. He scores his second goal of the day. Classic Germany. They look desperate, Trevor.
Yes, there's not much they could do about it today.
There's the whistle. Pushes it upfield. Approaching the last 15 minutes of the game. Was predictable. Now they go left. There will be a throw-in. Touches it back. It's been a ding-dong battle between these two sides. It's clear. That was dangerous play, and the referee quite rightly has given a free kick. There's no quarter being given or asked. A good ball in could give them another goal here. A terrific goal! They are in total control. That's his fourth of the game.
You're seeing something very special today.
That was a wonderful one. It's been very one-sided, isn't it, Trevor?
Yes, it's a shame. I thought we'd have a bit more of an even contest today, but it hasn't turned out that way.
Possession given away.
Well, they're starting to click, Peter.
Tries one.
I think if you go it alone like that, you have to finish it off properly. And that's not what's happening.
Taps it back.
Poetry in motion, terrific stuff.
It's a tasty cutter. Oh, it's in! And that gave them a comfortable lead. That's unbelievable. He scores his fifth goal today.
Wow, this is some performance.
Nil 6. There has been only one team in this today. Plays it forward. It's the last chance to get one back here with a good cross. He's kept it low. It's over. This win was as comfortable as the scoreline suggests.
I think they dominated the whole game. Some good passing, some good running off the ball, and some quality finishing.
Nil 6. Trevor Brooking was alongside me.